Alam mo, sarap pala talaga ng feeling, no? Pagka yung dating pangarap mong kotse, parang totoo na. Kaya itong nakuha ko itong H2, sobrang saya ko dahil lahat posible. Sabi ko nga, lahat ng bagay basta hatawin mo lang, hard work, lahat posible. Ang maganda dito sa negosyo natin, ordinaryong tao, pwedeng extraordinary mangyari. Hindi mo kailangan maging matalino, hindi mo kailangan maging pogi, hindi mo kailangan maging maganda. Dito lahat posible. Basta sa V-Mobile. Sarap!
Kumbaga, tiyaga lang. Tiyaga, tamang attitude. Tsaka maniwala ka sa sarili mo, lalo na kay God. Kasi siya yung nagbibigay ng lahat sa'yo, sa mga tao sa Pilipinas, sa mundo. Siya nagbibigay sa'yo, maniwala ka lang sa Kanya.
Kung gusto mo ng pagbabago sa buhay mo, you have to try something different. You have to take risk. Again, lahat ng bagay sa buhay pinaghihirapan. Tatrabahuin mo. Hindi yung akala mo magpapasok ka ng pera, tutubo na lang ang 1 milyon. Hindi ganun ang buhay. Paghihirapan mo din yan. Ang masarap lang sa V-Mobile, sa simula ka lang maghihirap. Sa dulo, masarap na.
To start with, take risks. It's very important for you to take a jump from all the sabi ng ibang tao na imposible. Ikaw mismo gagawa nun. You have to have a belief system sa sarili mo na you believe you can. Pag yun nakuha mo na, I believe you can do the business ng tuloy-tuloy.
Yung motto ko sa team ko is empower yourself by empowering others. So by helping others, by empowering others, you will empower yourself.
What up, son? Yo, you got this court. It is what it is. Why you standing here? You got next? Who you talking? Who you talking? Nah, you was a joke. You crazy, kid. I got see you out here trying to showcase. I'm Jesus Shuttlesworth. I got game, son. What? You can't hold me. Kid. Remember that. What?
Fight, Diggy wanna know who got game in here. Time to show out, no matter what the atmosphere. Before we jump this off, let me make things clear. We don't give a hoot about your feelings, dear. Nah, stand tall or don't stand at all. Understand the vibe for the stage, ready to ball. Front if you want to, money I'ma see you. Fundamentals of tricks, my game's like Rod's trick. 1-on-1 or 1-on-5. Don't get it twisted, son, doggy, bring it to your live. Crush you up, something awful, man. You don't survive. Understand that your jaw can't run and can't hide. When's the last time you seen game like this? Fight go hard like the Bulls of 9-6. 7D mix, bad boys of 8-9, or the San Antonio Spurs of 05. You know I got this side, you know it don't stop. Cease all the talking and pass me the rock. Diggy to the dog, known to take your spot. Get off the floor, boy, your game ain't high. You know I got this side, you know it don't stop. Cease all the talking and pass me the rock. Diggy to the dog, known to take your spot. Come in with that trash and it's bound to get swat. So what it's gonna be? Who wanna see me? I got that Gary Payton, lock him down, glove type D. Playing defense ain't a thing, that's how you win them rings. One playmaker, like Bird and Isaiah. Triple doubles, then big O. Still a D of Bobby Jones. James was the first step as I take you to the hole. Got your top player stress, cause I'ma run on test pest. Release is quicker than a hiccup, clutch like Chauncey Billups. Diggy stay fierce like the game of Paul.
Mga kaibigan, at sa mga magiging kaibigan namin, lahat na nakikita ninyo, lahat posible. Dahil sa V-Mobile, lahat! Mayroon!